It's hard to believe that it's been 2 years since we started the WTSO Premium Wine Club, but it's been quite the journey so far. Thank you so much to everybody who has taken the ride along with us. So for those of you new to the club, this is a monthly subscription where we take you on an adventure of the senses to a new wine region once a month. When you join the Premium Wine Club, you get anywhere from 2 to 4 bottles of wine like this delivered to your door for no extra charge. And along with that, you'll get a full backstory on the wines. You'll get some quick tips videos on YouTube, and we'll also do a live tasting once a month. And the virtual tastings happen to be my favorite perk of Premium Wine Club because they're an opportunity for our community of wine lovers to get together and just casually taste and discuss our love of wine. We're always listening to our members and we're always making adjustments. So I'm happy to announce that we've added a couple of new features to the Premium Wine Club to make it even better. First of all, for Wine Club members, if for any reason you're not interested in the current month's offering, you now have the option of being able to swap it out for another set from our back catalog. Secondly, aside from our virtual tasting that we hold every month, you can now schedule your own private virtual tasting with me at any time you want. So we can get real intimate and dive deep into these wines at your convenience. If you're not a Premium Wine Club member, but you've been curious about the style of wines and the quality of the wines that we offer in the club, there's a new feature that'll interest you. We've created an online store where you can now buy single bottles from the back catalog, mix and match them, and try them at no obligation. And as an added bonus, you can actually schedule your own private tasting with me as well. Pick and choose as many bottles as you want from that page, invite your friends and family over, and we'll have our own private little happy hour. And I'm actually going to be unboxing each one of these wines individually to give you more in-depth information about where it comes from, how to best enjoy it, food pairings, and that kind of thing. So if you want to see those videos, be sure to subscribe to the WTSO YouTube channel. So if you spend more than $60 at the Premium Wine Club bottle shop, which is roughly 2 bottles, you're going to get free shipping. And if you buy 6 bottles or more, you're going to get a 10% discount. Lastly, if you're not a club member, but you're still interested in seeing what we do at our virtual tastings, you're welcome to jump in and see for yourself free of charge. Just buy 1 or 2 bottles from the shop and you'll be given a link to come join us. So whether you're a current member or you're thinking about joining, there are a ton of benefits to Premium Wine Club. To learn more or to join, just visit the link that's attached to this video. As always, I can't wait to see you for the next adventure. For WTSO, I'm Marc Supsic. Cheers.